Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a quick video of how to achieve deep curls using your existing pre-braided crochet braid by Freedom Hair. The hair comes like this. It has a wavy tip. It's a box braid. It's by Freedom Synthetic Hair. What you need to achieve this look is, of course, your hair, hot water, flexi rod, and a bowl. Showing you what it looked like after applying or using your flexi rod and hot water. It came out really deep. It's a much deeper curls than how it looks like before. In the Freedom Synthetic Crochet Hair, we have like 60 strands in one pack, and at the tip it comes wavy, so we want to change it from wave to deep curls. So we're going to be using our Flexi Rod Set to achieve the deep curls. So we're turning it from wavy at the tip to deep coily, just like I said earlier on. So what you can see there, I'm wrapping around the strand, each of them on the rod. So because it's flexible, it allows us to turn it and twist it and secure the braiding hair tightly around the flexi rod. So you can see I am actually using one rod for 2 strands of braiding hair, just so I can minimize the amount of flexi rod I use on this particular hair, because I think I've exhausted everything I have, so I'm just trying to minimize the one that's remaining using 2 strands per 1 rod. So this is show you slowly how to actually wrap your strands around your rod. So you pick a strand and then you pick one rod, using your thumb to secure your strand on your rod, then roll your strand around your rod, you're set. Then you twist the flexi rod around to secure the braiding hair on the hair so it doesn't fall off while you're trying to put it in hot water. So that's it. And yeah, the hair is quite slippery, so once it rolls off your hand, do it again. Hold this tightly and turn your flexi rod around to secure it on the rod so it doesn't fall off, like I said. Yeah, that's it. It's quite easy. Done twisting all the strands around the rod. This is what it looks like after doing everything. So yeah, we're done. We boiled our water already. We have a bowl. We just put the hair in hot water so that we can achieve what we want. Do not be afraid. The hot water will not spoil your synthetic hair. It will just give it the twist, the deep curls that you want. So this is how to achieve the curl. So we're changing it from wavy to deep coily, like I said, and this is the only way we can do it, in hot water. Yes. Yeah, this is what it looks like after the hot water ceremony. It is out of the hot water. We're taking it out from the rod, from the flexi rod, one after the other. Just turn around the opposite direction to remove your strands, and here you are. Lovely curls. I'm gonna rock this well. So this is what it looks like. What it came out looking like after all is said and done. I called like 3 packs of Freedom crochet braid because I want my hair to be really full. I like it full. So the next part of this video, I'll be showing you how I installed this hair using the cornrow crochet braid method. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if possible, share with your friends. Watch out for part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.